Is your engine suddenly running rough, lacking power, and burning through gas much faster than usual? You might have a malfunctioning fuel injector disrupting your entire system. Let us talk about diagnostic trouble code P02F8. This specific trouble code stands for cylinder 11 injector circuit range or performance. Your vehicle relies on a powertrain control module to send exact electrical ground pulses to your fuel injectors, telling them exactly when to spray fuel and for how long. When this main computer detects that the electrical signal or performance of the fuel injector specifically for cylinder number 11 is completely out of its normal operating range, it triggers your check engine light and logs this fault. The symptoms of this issue are very noticeable right from the driver's seat. You will experience a very rough idle, a severe lack of power when you press the gas pedal, and a huge drop in your daily fuel economy because that specific cylinder is no longer contributing to the engine power. The causes for this failure typically come down to physical blockages or electrical connection faults. You could have a heavily dirty or totally plugged fuel injector, a physically burned out internal coil inside the injector, a loose plastic electrical connector, or heavily corroded wiring between the injector and the main computer. To tackle this problem, you should always start with the easiest check first. Locate cylinder 11 on your specific engine and find the fuel injector. Remove the metal wire clip and pull off the plastic electrical connector. Look closely for pushed out metal pins or green corrosion. Apply some dielectric grease and snap it back on tightly. Next, start the engine and use a mechanic stethoscope or a long screwdriver pressed against your ear to listen to the injector. You should hear a sharp, rapid clicking sound. If it is completely silent, use a digital voltmeter to check if the injector is receiving steady power from the fuel pump relay when the key is on. If you have power but no clicking, the injector is electrically dead. If it is clicking but the cylinder is still misfiring, the injector is likely clogged with dirt. You can purchase a high-pressure direct fuel injector cleaning kit from your local auto parts store. This involves pulling the fuel pump fuse, attaching a pressurized bottle of cleaner directly to the fuel rail test port, and letting the engine run solely on the strong cleaning chemicals until it stalls out. When is it time to hand this over to a professional mechanic? If the electrical testing feels overwhelming, if you cannot locate a short circuit in the main wiring harness, or if reaching cylinder 11 requires removing the upper intake manifold and other complex engine components, you should definitely let a certified technician handle the repair. Fuel systems operate under extremely high pressure and a small mistake can lead to a dangerous fuel leak or an engine fire. Stay safe and take care of your vehicle.